Hello, this is Dwayne. I just wanted to show you my little engine that runs off of gas vapors instead of gasoline. Anyway, I can give a quick explanation of how it works. It's basically a little Honda engine, I think about a 6 horsepower engine. And this is your intake, so this is suction. So gas is being sucked up through this pipe, or fumes rather. It's going to be sucked up through this pipe via this hose, and this is the gas tank. And the way this gas tank works is air comes in here via this suction line, and let me pause for a second so I can open up the vapor. Okay, so this is the vapor gas tank, and as you can see, there's this stem, this copper stem sitting down here. So air gets sucked into this canister, or whatever you want to call it. And what happens is air is coming through here, and there's gasoline above this line. So the air bubbles the gas, and from the bubbles we get a lot of vapor, which go out here and are being sucked into this hose, into this little manifold, and straight into the intake. As you can see, there's also some fittings on my exhaust, and what I'm doing here is using this as a heat exchanger to take the exhaust heat and heat up the gas vapors. So basically there's another pipe inside this pipe that's connected to all of this, that's going to our little vaporizer. But anyway, it's just that simple. This here is just a little something to kind of protect against backfires. I wouldn't want the backfire to go all the way in here, so we just have a little check valve. If this was to blow back, it would blow out here rather than blow back into this canister with the gasoline. Anyway, let me pause it and I'll get it started up for you. Put the top back on our gas canister or vaporizer, whatever we want to call it. So hold on. Okay, let's see if we can get it to fire up. Let me see. That about there should do it. And idle's pretty good. Okay, the key to making this thing run smooth and responsive and idle good is your air-fuel mixture. So down here you can see this ball valve on the bottom. This is to allow more air as needed, and also on this makeshift vaporizer, which was originally a water filter, there is a bypass for that filter, which I'm using to bypass that tube that runs down and agitates the gas. It bypasses that and allows a little more air to go through, you know. And when I get them adjusted just right, the two of them, it runs pretty smooth. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the little video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Appreciate any comments. If I can answer any questions, I'll do my best. All right, you guys be safe out there experimenting, and have fun. Bye.